Today, I will be discussing a very common and important dilemma: choosing the best job offer among several options. I have been fortunate enough to receive three different job offers. Each will is all pros and cons. I need to decide which one either great job offer for me. And the three options are: 1. A sensible job with upward income, but not safe. 2. A favorite job with middle income, but constant business travel. 3. A desk job with lower income, but the 4-day work week. After careful consideration of my current life priorities, I believe option 3. The desk job with lower income but a 4-day work week is the best choice for me. I see two major advantages to this option. Work-life balance. Having a 3-day weekend is a massive benefit. This extra time allows me to pursue my hobby, spend quality time with family and friends, and even focus on personal development, like talking on online course or learning a new skill. This contributes greatly to my overall well-being and prevent burnout. 3. A2. Mental clarity and energy. Working a shorter week means I will likely feel more energized and focused during my 4 work days. I can bring my best self to the job, making the far lower income a worthwhile trade-off for better quality of life. The predictability of a desk job is also a big plus. Now, let me briefly explain why I am ruling out the other two options. One, upper income, myself. Hmm, the main advances here is the extreme disruption to my circadian frequency and social life. Whilst the many are attractive working permanent night shop can lead to several health issues over time, like failure and or weakness in my system. Option 2. Favorite job business travel. The problem with constant business travel is the lack of stability and routine. Although I love the time work, being away from home frequently is emotionally taxing. Furthermore, the middle income might not fully compensate for cost and stress. To sum up, why are why on three for having strong bonds, I am prioritizing time and will being over maximum income or professional passion at this stage. Option 3. The 4-day work week offer me the best opportunity to achieve a sustainable and fulfilling work-life balance. I believe that being happiness and healthy outside at work will humanity make me a more effective and committed employee during 4 day into work. Thank you all for listening.